All right, now that we got the Megaware FlexStep Pro all set up, this is the one that's going to go on the starboard side. You slide this right around the rail like this. You're going to take your back plate, slide it right on, and that's where we're going to be ready to tighten it up. So we're going to take your nuts here. You're going to thread them on. By hand, get them started. They have that nylon in there, so that's what keeps them from backing out on you. So I'm going to get all 4 of those started like so, and then we're going to tighten it up and the job's going to be done. It's really simple, and it's a really awesome product. I really enjoy using this on all my boats here, if we can get my fingers to work. And it's really just a cool little thing. I use it a lot when I'm rigging tackle. So like when I'm working on my boat, I usually won't sit in my boat when I rig tackle. I'll stand next to it with my rods and reels and all that. And that's what kind of lets me just step up. You're not jumping, banging your ribs on the side of the gunnel. So that's really a nice feature about it. So we're going to get this set up here. Run that right down on there. I actually have it on the wrong side. I gotta switch these 2 over so it actually reaches. I do recall that from the last year now. Put that one on there. And you're gonna tighten them all up. That one. 2 more. And the final one. And there you go. You're good to go. You're going to pull this collar like so. I'm just going to let you swivel this, step it where you want. When I load my trailer, I put it on that 3rd up or 2nd down, however you want to look at that. And when you pull in, you'll never hit this. You don't have to worry about that with the trailer. So make sure you check out the Megaware FlexStep Pro. If you have any questions about this, send me a message. I'm happy to help you pick out what you need, or if you have any questions on ordering one. Sometimes I have a discount code available. So if you send me a message either on, put them in the comments below, or Facebook or Instagram, Gray Buck Fishing, all those, I can get you usually a little bit of a deal on them. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any questions, I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.